Amazon's new indoor and outdoor Blink cameras can record for up to 4 years on one set of batteries. Blink, that other smart home camera company that Amazon scooped up, today announced a pair of new cameras that move its business deeper into a subscription model. And they can also last for a long time, up to 4 years of normal use, on a single set of batteries if that's what you need. The new Blink Outdoor, $99.99, and Indoor, $79.99. Cameras include a free trial to Blink's cloud storage plan that's good through the end of this year. But after that, you'll have to pay $3 monthly to keep the cloud storage going. An unlimited cameras plan is slightly more expensive at $10 per month. Blink is still giving customers the option of saving their recordings locally with the included sync module 2 and any USB flash drive they might have on hand. Both cameras check off most of the features you'd want out of a basic home camera. You get 1080p video, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio in a sleek new hardware design. By default, the Blink Outdoor and Indoor can keep going for up to 2 years of recording on a pair of AA lithium batteries. But later this year, Blink says it'll release a battery expansion pack that ups the number of AAs to 4, thus doubling that total stamina to up to 4 years with normal use. Blink says it can achieve this efficiency because of its proprietary chip technology. You can see how this would be convenient if you want to stick a camera in a high-traffic area or a hard-to-reach spot where frequent battery swaps would prove annoying. The expansion pack costs another $30, so the added expense might not be worth it for some.